Buffer is a solution containing a weak acid and its conjugate base that resists pH changes by neutralizing added acids or base to maintain a nearly constant pH.
Here are the materials we used for this experiment.
Start by turning on the pH meter and make sure it is securely connected to begin pH readings. Now, connect the electrode to the meter and remove electrode from the storage solution.
We begin calibrating the pH meter using a 2-point method. This involves placing the probe in pH 7 and pH 4 buffer solutions and entering these values into the meter to get accurate measurements.
You will then rinse the electrode with distilled water and lightly dry it using a Kim wipe. Place it in the pH 7 buffer solution. Type in the value 7 on screen and wait until the reading stabilizes. You will now rinse the electrode again and repeat this process for the pH 4 buffer solution to ensure pH readings are accurate. Once you do the 2-point calibration, you can now place it in the sodium hydroxide solution. This pH turned out to be about 13.
Next, we tested the pH of the ammonium hydroxide, which turned out to be about 11.
Our acetic acid's pH turned out to be about 2.6.
We cleaned the pH probe before and after each use using DI water, and then we placed it into the HCl solution, and the reading was about 1.5.
Weak versus strong acid. Strong acid fully donate their protons to the solution, so no equilibrium forms because nearly all molecules ionize. Weak acids only partially donate protons, creating a balance between ionized and unionized forms at equilibrium. To minimize this ionization effect, the solution can include added conjugate base or hydronium ions. To shift equilibrium back, use a buffer or limit dilution to reduce proton release.
For each household solution, such as orange juice, apple juice, and Sprite, we washed the electrode in distilled water, carefully placed it in the solution, and waited for the pH reading to stabilize. We then recorded the stabilized pH, removed the electrode, and washed the electrode with distilled water before storing it back in its solution.
Now, place the electrode in the orange juice. The orange juice's pH was about 3.7. After, remove electrode from solution and rinse with distilled water.
Our pH for our apple juice was about 3.6. Next, we measured the pH of our Sprite and we got 3.2.
Once finished, we clean the pH probe with distilled water, dab it dry, and place it back in its storage solution for later use. Once we finished the experiment, we cleaned our station and glassware and put everything back in its proper place. These are the results of our experiment.